Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use the responsive condition widget in Teta. The responsive condition changes the UI of the application screen or widget according to the size of the different mobile screens. Let's see the following example. Let's say we have a column containing other two columns, each one possessing a title and a subtitle. Let's now try placing the responsive condition widget right before the columns. All of our texts are visible at the moment, and even when switching from an iPhone to an iPad, nothing changes. Next, let's access the first responsive condition settings and only enable mobile view while disabling the other ones. Let's now access the second responsive condition and instead enable the tablet view while disabling the other ones. By doing so, the text enabled for the tablet will disappear while the mobile adapted text will stay. When switching from iPhone to iPad, as you can see, only the tablet adapted text will appear. Naturally, the operation seen earlier will still work even when creating apps for the desktop. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!